Hi Febina, welcome to Online Cooking Contest Season 2. I am Senthil Rajaa going to give the famous recipe of Tamil Nadu chicken pallipalayam, and it is the very famous recipe in Tamil Nadu, mostly in Kongu districts. This gives the a very spicy and very simple to cook chicken pallipalayam recipe. And now I am going to show how it's preparation with very few ingredients on it. Let's see. Chicken of kg, salad small onion 150 gram, that is half kg of chicken, 150 gram, that is 3:1 ratio, and red chili which is seedless and chopped finely. Next, chili paste, soak the chili for 30 minutes and grind it pastely. Ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, coconut oil. This is the very important things in this ingredients. Chopped coconut, of tomato, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. These are the things which needed for the chicken pallipalayam. Let's start how the recipe of chicken pallipalayam. Now we're heating the pan. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. While getting the smell of coconut, while getting heat, we have to add the chopped red chilies. I chopped nearly 8 red chilies, which is seedless chopped red chilies. In a second, we can see the changes of the oil color change. We have to check it. Now we adding the curry leaves. Fry it once. The color, red color. The oil color turns it's red. Now we adding the chopped salad small onions. Deep fried, how frying. Fry it well. Now adding the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, freshly homely prepared ginger garlic paste. It's very spicy dish, which is very tasty and spicy. Now adding the boneless sliced chicken, very sliced, chopped thinly, the size of the piece. It's very boneless chicken. Half kg boneless, small pieced chicken. Now we're adding little water on it. Adding salt. This is time to add turmeric powder. Now we close it for 5 minutes. The liquorers. Yes, liquorers will like it spicy chicken pallipalayam because which gives a good side dish for their liquors. And now they see the color and tender of the pallipalayam. The pallipalayam, the name comes from the place called Pallipalayam, which is located in Tamil Nadu Erode district, and now it's changed to Tiruchendur district. The very few ingredients which gives the tremendous taste of the chicken, which brings the taste of the chicken out. Now we're adding the chopped coconut, which gives the sweetness of the chicken, and the spiciness, and now the sweetness, and which gives the taste of the chicken is super. Now we are adding the tomato, which give the sour taste. Now the chicken pallipalayam, which has the older taste of spiciness, saltiness, sweetness, and sourness, are the four tasteness which is in our in the one recipe called chicken pallipalayam, which very tremendous taste. Now stir to mix it well once. See how I am mixing it, and now we can use it, which is for boiled rice. We can use it right away. If you are going to use it for chapati or roti, you still wait for another 1 minute, which gives the good sizes for chapati or roti. Yes, see the bubbles of the recipe and it looks very eagerness to give to eat right away. Yes, now it's the chicken pallipalayam is almost gets the final stage. Yes, now we take it going to take it in serving bowl before that switch off the stove, and let's take it in the serving bowl and serve it with the smiling face, which gives more lowness for this chicken pallipalayam. Chicken gives the thickness, romanticness of the is uh, chicken pallipalayam. Yes, let's serve it to serving bowl. Yes, chicken pallipalayam is now ready to serve. I'm going to serve it with uh, chapati. Yes, look at it, how it looks with tremendous chicken with curry leaves and red chili. Yes, I'm going to serve it. Kindly like it and subscribe it. Yes, viewers, I just serve it to you to taste the chicken pallipalayam. Yes, you prepare with your home with the all the ingredients. Everyone have all the ingredients in your home instantly. Just prepare it and taste it. I'm assured that you will like it. The chicken pallipalayam. It's an anything like any other recipes. That much taste on it. Yes, you prepare it and taste it, then you give the likes and comment on my recipe. Yes, thank you, Febina. Thank you for me to participate in the second cooking contest. Thank you for all. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.